8414. What type frequency vibration is associated with a defective transmission? A. Low frequency only. B. Medium or low frequency. C. High or medium frequency. The correct answer is C. A defective transmission in an aircraft is typically associated with high or medium frequency vibrations. The transmission is a critical component in transmitting power from the engine to the rotor system in a helicopter or the propeller in a fixed-wing aircraft. It consists of various gears, shafts, and bearings that work together to transfer power efficiently and smoothly. When a transmission becomes defective or develops issues, it can lead to vibrations in the aircraft. These vibrations can manifest at high or medium frequencies, depending on the specific nature of the defect or problem within the transmission. High-frequency vibrations typically occur when there is a misalignment or imbalance in the transmission components, such as worn or damaged gears or shafts. These vibrations can have a rapid oscillation and are often more noticeable to the pilot and occupants of the aircraft. Medium-frequency vibrations can arise from issues like worn bearings or gears with uneven wear patterns. These vibrations may have a slightly lower frequency compared to high-frequency vibrations, but can still be significant enough to cause discomfort or indicate a problem with the transmission. 8415. What type frequency vibration is associated with the main rotor system? A. Low frequency. B. Medium frequency. C. High frequency. The correct answer is A. Low frequency. The main rotor system of a helicopter is typically associated with low-frequency vibrations. The main rotor system is responsible for generating lift and providing stability and control to the helicopter. It consists of the main rotor blades, hub, and associated components. Due to the large size and rotational motion of the main rotor blades, the vibrations generated by the main rotor system tend to have lower frequencies. These vibrations occur at frequencies that are typically below 10 Hz. The low-frequency vibrations in the main rotor system can be caused by several factors, including aerodynamic forces, rotor blade imbalance, and interactions between the rotor blades and the airframe. 9800. A medium or higher frequency vibration mainly present in the anti-torque pedals is A. Usually traceable to engine cooling fan assembly. B. Probably caused by the tail rotor. C. To be expected and accepted as normal. The correct answer is B. A medium or higher frequency vibration mainly present in the anti-torque pedals of a helicopter is likely caused by the tail rotor. The tail rotor is an essential component of a helicopter's anti-torque system. It provides the necessary thrust to counteract the torque produced by the main rotor. The anti-torque pedals, located in the cockpit, allow the pilot to control the direction and intensity of the tail rotor thrust. Due to the high rotational speed and complex aerodynamics of the tail rotor, vibrations can be generated during its operation. These vibrations can transfer through the helicopter's structure and be felt in the anti-torque pedals. The vibrations in the anti-torque pedals caused by the tail rotor are typically of medium or higher frequencies. They can result from various factors, such as imbalances in the tail rotor blades, worn bearings, or aerodynamic interactions between the tail rotor and the helicopter's fuselage. 8416. What type frequency vibration is indicative of a defective tail rotor system? A. Low and medium frequency. B. Medium and high frequency. C. Low and high frequency. The correct answer is B. A defective tail rotor system in a helicopter can be indicative of medium and high frequency vibrations. The tail rotor system is responsible for providing anti-torque control, balancing the torque produced by the main rotor, and controlling the helicopter's yaw motion. It consists of the tail rotor blades, hub, drive shaft, and associated components. When the tail rotor system is defective or experiencing issues, it can lead to vibrations in the helicopter. These vibrations can occur at medium and high frequencies, depending on the nature of the defect or problem within the tail rotor system. Q8426. What is the primary purpose of the freewheeling unit? A. To provide speed reduction between the engine, main rotor system, and tail rotor system. B. To provide disengagement of the engine from the rotor system for autorotation purposes. C. To transmit engine power to the main rotor, tail rotor, generator/alternator, and other accessories. The correct answer is B. To provide disengagement of the engine from the rotor system for autorotation purposes. The primary purpose of the freewheeling unit, also known as the freewheel unit or autorotation unit, in a helicopter is to allow the engine to disengage from the rotor system during autorotation. Autorotation is a flight condition in helicopters where the engine is decoupled from the rotor system, and the rotor blades are allowed to rotate freely without power input. During autorotation, the airflow through the rotor blades generates lift, enabling the helicopter to descend safely without engine power. The freewheeling unit is responsible for automatically disengaging the engine from the rotor system when certain conditions are met, such as a loss of engine power or intentional activation by the pilot. This allows the rotor system to rotate independently without being driven by the engine.